From this one, I think everybody come on here, you have to take a girl this one, but you get in there and go. But how much people don't understand she not how much people like her don't understand? She go like she a girl, you know, because people don't ever eat her. But Ronnie, why are you vitamin C take? Why should not be the people that don't ever eat her? Start from down here, so. No, start from down here, so come up to Brixton, come up to London. When you see your own thing, you can't do now. They have been a bad man. It's not right. And actually, it's not me. It's not me. She came and looked at me. So why stop from our Brixton? And everybody will be there. Everybody will be there.